class 10 students. Today I came for your biology class, that is genetics. We will start with the topic genetics. So at first we have to know the genetics. What is called genetics? The branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variation of inherited characteristics. Branch of biology which deals with the study of heredity and variation of inherited characteristics. Heredity means the transmission of genetic characteristics from parent to offspring, that is called heredity. Characteristics, that the heritable features of individuals like height, color of eyes, that color of hair, these are the characteristics. Trait means alternative forms of character. Alternative forms of character means if height is the character, then tall and dwarf, these are the two traits. Gene, what do you mean by gene? The molecular unit of heredity carrying instruction for synthesizing specific protein, using for specific protein synthesis and determining the particular trait. Also it a carrier of our trait like eye color, height, these are the characteristics. Mendelian factor means actually these are the Mendelian factor that named gene actually by our father of genetics. We call that Gregor Johann Mendel, and he called the gene as Mendelian factor. Variation, what do you mean by variation? Differences in inherited trait in individuals of a species of offspring of same parent. Different in inherited trait in individuals of a species or offspring of same parent, that is called variation. In case of hybrid, jodi bhabo, but do you know hybrid ki the offspring born of two parents having genetically different character, that is called hybrid. Hybrid means characteristics is more better than the parent generation, that is called hybrid actually. That is called, sometimes we call the genetic cross. Genetic cross means mating between two different but genetically compatible individual, that is called cross or genetic cross. Two type of cross are there, that is one is monohybrid and is dihybrid. Mono means single characteristics, একটা মাত্র ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক যখন কাজ হবে তখন দ্যাট ইজ কল মোনোহাইব্রিড। টু ডিফারেন্ট অর্গানিজম ইন ওয়ান ট্রেট, একটাই হাইট যদি একটা ফ্যাক্টর হয় তাহলে টু ট্রেট, একটা টল একটা ডোয়ার্ফ, দ্যাট ইজ মোনোহাইব্রিড। ইফ উই ক্রস two organism between two trait means if one is height, another is color, that is if in case of pea plant we use মটর গাছের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা কেমন ব্যবহার করি যে yellow round and here another is green wrinkle. These are the two characteristics when taking, that is called that dihybrid cross. Genotype means actually genetic constitution of organism. Genetic মানে জিন দেখে যেটা বোঝা যায় সেটা হচ্ছে genotype. Whereas in case of phenotype means genetically controlled observable characteristics, বাইরে থেকে যেটা দেখা যাচ্ছে বাহ্যিক যে বৈশিষ্ট্য, that is called actually phenotype. Allele means two alternative forms of gene that occupying same position in both homologous and homologous ক্ষেত্রে. Next আছে homologous. Homo means same, homo means tt, capital T or small t, that is called homologous. Whereas in heterologous, hetero means different, that is capital T small t, that is actually heterozygous or heterologous chromosome actually. Dominant means in next when you go to the cross, then we will see in dominant means allele which can express itself in both homozygous and heterozygous condition, that is actually called dominant. Whereas recessive, the gene which is suppressed by dominant allele in a heterozygous condition, that can express only in homozygous condition, small t or capital T, it giving the characteristic, that is called actually when it comes in homozygous condition, that is called recessive characteristics. Parental means parent generation, that is called parental generation. And offspring, first the successive of the parental generation, that is called first filial generation. Second, when F2 actually, that is comprised of offspring resulting for the mating of crossing two members of F1 generation. F1 generation এর next ধাপে যেটা হচ্ছে সেটা হচ্ছে F2 generation. So F1 and F2 both are simultaneous. First F1, then we go to the F2. These are the main definition you have to know properly in case of starting with the genetics. Phenotypic ratio, when it will come, that phenotype ratio means defined phenotypes in generation with the ratio. Genotypic ratio means sometimes genotype in generation, জিনগত যে বৈশিষ্ট্য, জিনগত যে রেশিও, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড জিনোটাইপিক রেশিও. So sometime we always be genetics always be with the Punnett square. মানে we distribute this result as a cross square box that is by scientist Punnett. That's why it is also known as Punnett square. So today up to that only.